Sagittarius, welcome po sa Scorpworks Tarot. Scorpsworks Tarot, 16 to 31 of January. Yep, okay, Sagittarius, tignan natin ng energy. January 16 to 31. So, ang bilis ng panahon po. Okay, tignan natin. Ituloy natin ang new beginning at long-term goal ng new moon message. Yep. Tingnan natin yung storyboard ni Sagittarius. One card lang. Simulan natin. Bigyan natin ng good reading. So, shout out po ako sa mga fellow OFW. Iingat po tayo. Ingat. Okay. One card lang. One card. Simulan natin. Good reading. Sagittarius, fire sign. Lucky ang fire sign for 2026. Yeah? Congratulations, Sagittarius. Take advantage of that, that period. Okay, ilan yung binigay? Dalawa. Basahin natin. Okay. So, yes, okay. Year of the Fire Horse, mabilis mag-init, mabilis magbago, mabilis magdesisyon, mabilis ang biyaya. Okay? Knight of One, energy mo yan. Mabilis na balita, yung passion mo, tumatakbo. If you're dealing with a horse sign, mas lalo kang lucky at yun ang tutulong sa'yo. I can smell it here. Eight of Wands, sabi ko, double double quick movement. News, mabilis. So, pag mabilis ang balita, dapat mabilis ka rin magdesisyon. Ano ang gagawin mo kapag dumating at nagbagsakan sa'yo yung mga opportunity? Yes? Okay. Yeah, that's how it is. Take advantage of this one. Yung fast movement, yung sorry. Yung energy, Sagittarius, mainit ka rin, okay? So tingnan natin kung saan patungo itong istorya ni Sagittarius. Yeah? Prominent yung fire. So, if you're dealing with somebody na pinanganak sa year of the horse, very lucky ko lalo. Okay? That's your anchor and also possible support mo to achieve. Yan yung bow, so, ready, aim, fire. Kunin ko na yung award ko, kunin ko na yung bonus ko, kunin ko na yung blessings ko, kunin ko na lahat noong pwede kong itago at i-save habang mainit ka. Yeah, that's how it is. Sa negosyo, ganyan din po. Kapag dumating yung benta at maraming umu-order, hindi ka tunganga. Kailangan, pa rin, i-ship mo kaagad yan. Yeah, ganyan yan. So, anong gagawin mo? Okay. So, this is preparation po for 2026. So, this is a good start. Okay, ituloy natin yung storyboard ni Sagittarius. Yeah, okay. Yeah, ingat lang sa pakikipagtalo. Okay, siguro, I can see here na i-reserve mo yung energy mo kung dapat bang sayangan mo yung oras mo, yung energy mo sa a given situation. Okay, ano ka lang dapat? Cool ka lang, Sagittarius. Okay, minsan, yung temper mo, dapat mo i-contain. Yeah, okay. Precaution. Okay. Ituloy natin. Okay. What Sagittarius needs to know? Blind spot. Give me blind spot for Sagittarius. Yeah, okay. Are you dealing with Capricorn? Yeah? Okay, if you're dealing with Capricorn or sa relationship na toxic or sa palagay mo hindi na nagwa-workout or company na binabastos ka or walang improvement or parang yung relationship mo wala nang kwenta, it's a waste of time for you, yung community mo, yung kapitbahay mo, so you need to avoid and separate on those things. Yung hindi na nagwa-workout, say thank you and let go. Okay? Kaya nandito yung 5 of Wands. Siguro, minsan, maski na masakit or masaya ka doon, yung addiction, everything, hindi na nag-grow. Yes? If yun ang reason kung bakit hindi nag-grow, you need to cut it. Yeah? Meron kang freedom here. Okay, the Devil card, Capricorn, hardworking yung Capricorn people, pero ang symbolism niya is the devil card because of too much, in excess, lasengo, in codependence, masarap ang lechon, masarap, it's addiction. Comfort zone mo is bad. Lahat ng sobra, hindi na maganda. Now, kung gusto mo makakawala doon, nasa iyo yung answer here. And the answer is coming towards you also. Okay? So, that's a that's a good sign also. Okay? So, hindi ka nakatali. Hindi ka nakatali dito sa sitwasyon na ito. Okay. Tuloy pa tayo. Kuha pa ako ng card. Ituloy natin yung storyboard. Very realistic ito. A good start for 2026. Again, Capricorn, one of the lucky fire sign sa 2026. So take advantage yung mga ganitong opportunities. Okay. Tignan natin, where is it heading? Yung dalawang kabayo, yung kabayo going to that direction. Sabi ka nun, charge, Capricorn. Okay, let's go to that direction. That's where the abundance and the news of good news is coming. Okay? Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, Three of Pentacles. Yeah, Three of Pentacles. So, this is collaboration. Okay? Planning, I consider it as planning. Yes? Yung human message, so, Sagittarius, kung hindi mo pa napanood, check it out. Baka may message ka doon. Long-term goal, taking responsibility, preparation for new growth, at saka yung opportunities na darating. Now, this is Three of Pentacles, collaboration, structure, do your research. Yes? Okay. Minsan, ang tendency natin, we do it ourselves. Yeah? I can see here na nagde-design sila ng bahay and building a house. Hindi something na magagawa ng isang tao. Okay? So, help is also coming. Yeah? This is also opportunity na maaring may mag-offer sa'yo ng, hey, Sagittarius, kailangan namin ng isa dito sa opisina. Kailangan namin dito na pwede ka bang mag-alaga ng anak ko for a weekend? Yung mga ganyan, source of income po ito. And it's coming, maraming babagsak sa'yo ng ganito. Okay. Kung gusto mo lang ng part-time job, meron. Yes, that's how it means here. But connect. Connect, connect. Yep. Yung intention mo, mukhang ito, maski na hindi mo, maski na hindi mo minanifest, okay, I can see here na babagsak siya. Okay. Sam, iba-iba po tayo ng kwento. Okay. Halimbawa, true friends, okay? Because of the Three of Pentacles. Way back, klase mo or 10 years ago na nakita mo sa isang party tapos biglang lilitaw, mga ganito ito. Tapos sabi gano'n, ay, ikaw yung 'di ba, yung nakita ko sa training noong nagtatrabaho pa tayo sa something somewhere. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Kailangan namin ng ganito. Yes, okay. Ano to, parang out of the blues din, kasama dito. Mga ganyan, you're gonna experience a lot of this type of energy sa towards January. Mas lalo, it is not only by January, kundi all throughout 2026. I think this is the prelude noong 2026 mo, Sagittarius. You're gonna have a lot of this. Okay. Hindi mo problema yung tao na magbibigay sa'yo ng chance. Okay? Alahin mo lang, wag mo ka lang don't waste your energy dun something na kasi minsan pihikan ka rin. That's one thing I can here. Kasi because of the devil card, hindi ka magiging this is comfort zone, okay? Hindi tayo minsan pupunta dun sa comfort zone kung hindi natin minsan kasi yung natin, yung criteria natin, okay, gusto natin ng ganito, matangkad, mabango, matamis, etc. Okay? Kapag hindi mo nakuha yun, hindi ma-check yun sa tick mark mo ng criteria, ayaw mo na. Okay? Ngayon, the devil card, yun ang isang ugali ng devil card. Okay? This is also taking Alchemy din ng devil card. Mindset, okay? Change mo rin yung ano mo, mindset. 5 yung criteria mo. Gusto mo ng halimbawa ng matamis, mabango, etc. Malayo. Sa trabaho na lang. Nakuha mo lang 3. Okay? How important yung 2 pa? Okay? So, that's a change of mindset. That's a devil card as well, the alchemy. Yeah? Okay? Leverage mo. Take advantage, yung mga darating na ganito kasi minsan hindi hindi siya nasa criteria eh. Yeah, o kasi parang but you gonna have a lot of this. Yeah? Kung ano yung minanifest mo, maaring hindi nasa criteria. Ay, gusto ko magkaroon ng bahay na ganito. Ngayon, gusto ko nasa 3rd floor siya, nasa sun shining sa east or something. Mga ganyan, marami tayong mga kaek-ekan minsan eh, okay? Yung mga ganon. So, how important para sa Sagittarius na nasa harapan ko na makuha mo yung criteria na yung bahay dapat nakaharap sa silangan. Yung toilet nasa kanluran. Mga ganyang kaek-ekan. Okay? That's also the devil card. Okay? But, sinasabi rito, yung minanifest mo, whatever, minsan hindi mo minanifest, babagsak mabilis. That's how I can see it here. So, paanong gagawin mo kapag yung halimbawang pintuan ng gusto mong bilhin bahay, nasa kanluran. Yan, ganun tipo yan. Sasagutin mo yan. One blind spot, one blind spot, one blind spot, one blind spot, one blind spot. O yung trabaho hinahanap mo, halimbawa ayaw mo ng boss na babae kasi nasunog ka na sa dati. Ngayon, babae na naman. Okay? Mga ganyang tipo yan. You are so caught up with your issue. Okay? Yan, devil card. Isa pa yan. Isa sa nababasa ko. Kaya, nandito yung 5 of Wands. Internal, internal work na, tatanggapin ko ba yun? Ay, pupuntahan ko ba yun? Ay, sasakay ba ako doon? Ay, yeah, walang aircon. Ay, yeah, ganyan yan. Okay, one more blind spot. What Cancer needs to know? Sorry, Cancer. Sagittarius. Why did I say Cancer? Why Sagittarius? What Sagittarius need to know? Sagittarius, sorry. Okay, what Sagittarius needs to know? Okay, what Sagittarius? Blind spot, blind spot, blind spot, blind spot. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. Okay, yeah, okay. Okay, mag-ingat din sa mga backstabber. Okay, meron ka rin makikita. Okay, tricky, sneaky. Siguro dahil sa maiinggit sa'yo, maraming naiinggit sa'yo. Okay. Madami maiinggit sa'yo. Alam ugali na lang ng yan eh. Not only for mga kababayan or Pinoy. Okay, the more na you have that opportunity tapos ikaw pa yung tumatanggi, maraming naiinggit sa'yo. Okay? Ingat ka lang dyan. Siguro be sharp, be smart. Okay? Be smart and ignore mo na rin yun. Kasi ito yung 5 of Wands eh. Ito yung pakikipagtalo. So, worthy ba yan? Worthy ba yan? Yeah? Tricky yan. Tricky. 7 of Swords. Okay? Sometimes nasa headspace, naglalaro lang, nadadala ka ng emosyon mo, akala mo ganun na sinabi nila, pero hindi naman pala. So, ingat din. That's something you need to be cautious. Okay. Tingnan natin. I just want to see. This is a nice one. Nice reading to, Sagittarius. So, magpapakapit ka. Okay. One, I just want to see outcome. One more blind spot. Okay. Sagittarius, one blind spot, outcome. This kind of thing, there's no outcome kasi ito yung series of event na you will expect. Okay? Ang outcome na pwedeng gawin dito is how you gonna decide. Pero ang commonality, yung opportunity is abound, you need to change your mindset kasi you are so caught up with your yung belief setting mo. Okay, ingat ka kasi mayroong mga naysayer or mga inggit because you are getting more than yung tinatanggap nila, or yung yung opportunity, sila wala eh. Okay? So siguro selective on, I'm not saying na iba cautious, just cautious. Alam mo yan, Sagittarius, who are those people na na take advantage or really will help you, or naiinggit, or I think you know that. Alam mo yan sa surrounding mo, mapipick up mo yan. Okay. One more blind spot. Tignan natin. This is interesting. Some message pa para sa hot na Sagittarius na lucky sign for 2026. Makikita natin yan sa susunod pong reading, how this storyline play out, para makita niyo yung progression ninyo kung tama yung reading. Yeah, one more message. Sagittarius, one more message po. One lang. Oh, okay, yeah, okay. Okay, Three of Swords. Okay, this is about cutting sa palagay mo na you need to let go. Yeah? Masakit, pero sometimes we learn in those type of experiences. Okay. So, ito ba yung tricky? Ito ba yung backstabber? Ito ba yung traitor? Ito ba yung sinungaling? Kasi meron kang Capricorn dito eh. Yung the devil card, toxic relationship, toxic boss, codependence, addiction, abuse, psychological trauma, etc. down the line. Gusto mo makakawala kasi it's no longer working. Ito yung mga tao rin na nainggit sa'yo dahil you are successful, and you just also hindi mo sila katribo, kaya you are fighting na to prove na wala kang pinoprove na magaling ka or what. Ayaw kang intindihin. Yeah? You try your best na to work with these people na, mag-ano tayo para masaya naman tayo. Pare-pareho naman yung ating plano na kumita at magandang buhay, masaya tayo. Yes, okay. Pero despite that, okay, this is not for everybody, because this is very specific na somebody broke your heart and you need to let go kasi it's no longer working. As simple as that. Okay. Okay. So, commonality, itong Sagittarius, news is coming, you're hot and you're lucky, itaas mo na yung ambisyon mo at yung pangarap, you're gonna get that. Piliin mo na lang yung dapat mong kung kanino ka makikipagtalo. Yeah? Okay. So, 16 to 31 January, Sagittarius, nice reading. Nice reading. So, magpapakapi ka rin. There's a separation here. Nasaktan ka, and yeah, this is a choice. Okay. So, I'm not gonna add kasi it can be personal. Okay? Ano tayo? Free will po. Free will. You can stay if you want. Ganun po yan. And umiyak ka kung gusto mong umiyak. Yung mga ganun tipo. Or tiisin. Yeah. Wala pong judgment. Well, there's no judgment po. Okay. One moon oracle to close the reading for Sagittarius. Lucky sign. Okay. Tignan natin. Now is a good time to focus on achieving your own personal goals. Yeah? Okay. I think nakuha ko na to last time sa'yo. Itong Sagittarius na to, you work hard, and yung pangarap mo, nakita ko rito, tumatakbo kang magsosolo ka, in unison do sa pangarap mo. Mabilis yung balitang darating, avoid mo lang yung fight na it's not your fight, okay? It's not worthy. Open up to another idea kasi nasa Capricorn, the devil energy ka, which is you feel mo na you are stuck sa relationship, sa trabaho, sa anything, sa community mo na puro nega, something like that. Okay? Surround yourself with the right people siguro. May traitor dito and backstabber, inggit, because you are lucky. Okay? So, focus on your personal goals. That's all. Start of the year, 16 to 31. Yun ang new moon message sa'yo. Long-term goal. and new growth and new opportunity. It's coming fast. Yeah, this is expansion. Yeah? Okay. So, yeah, salamat Sagittarius. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo. See you again. Ingat po.